This is Drew with Boomer Music Company, your band and orchestra experts since 1976.
So we're at the Colorado Music Educators Association conference, and I'm here with Bob Newhouse from KHS, and he's got a new product that he got to show me on a Zoom call, but this is the first time I got to put my hands on it. So Bob's going to kind of take me through the paces of what we've got here, and the 3 W's I like to call it. What is it, why is it cool, and why do I need one? So Bob, what do we got, why is it cool, and why do I need one?
So this is the brand new Smart Series from SONOR Orff. Why you need it is because they're compact. As you can see, they're stackable. You can get up to 5 instruments on top of each other, so they're going to take up a lot less room in the music rooms. Orff instruments with the big resonator boxes, as we were saying, they
Sure.
could take up a whole wall if you let them. Not only are these compact, they've got the legs on them here, so that you can set them on the floor if you need to, and they're still going to resonate. The bars are attached in such a way that they're not going to come off easily, but they do come off.
Yeah, this is super cool. I'm going to do a close-up on this. So you see you've got the screws on there, and then they go right into this gasket here. And then when you lift it up, it's not going to fall off. Super, super cool. That's a really neat design. I'm excited about that.
Well, and the noise you heard there was inside. Actually, it's over on this side. We have the incidental bars, which go in.
So if you want to change this to a pentatonic, or as opposed to a diatonic, or what, the bars are right there. They're stored inside. They're not off-site somewhere else. You're not going to lose them. That's a great feature on that. Now, what's the difference between these two different bars? Because obviously they're different colors.
Right. So this one here is from our Palisano series, which is it's up near the top of the line, and this is the primary line, which is going to be a step below. So it's priced a little
Sure.
more, it's a little more appealing price-wise. But the way the woods are done, which is the primary difference, in a dry climate like we have here in Colorado, these are going to perform better. They're not going to dry out as quickly as some of the less expensive woods.
Sure. It's with any wood instrument. I mean, the ideal situation is about 60% humidity, and we usually run about 22. So you do the math. I mean, something that's more durable in a dry climate is going to succeed better here because that's what we've got. That's just what we're dealing with.
Absolutely.
Cool. If someone wants to get more information about this, where should they go?
SONOR, I think it's sonor-orff.com, I believe, or just SONOR Orff. I always forget where the dashes are. SONORORF.com is the best place to get all the Orff information. And in addition to the Smart Series, we do have the big resonator boxes, which of course are going to put out a good sound. And that's the majority of our line, but you get all that information there. We do have a buy 3, get 1 free going on the Smart Series through the end of March. And Drew and his crew will absolutely set you up with those.
Absolutely. Well, Bob, thank you so much for explaining this to us, and excited for the new product.
All right, thanks for your time.
If you need help with instruments, repairs, sheet music, or anything band or orchestra, reach out to us at boomermusiccompany.com. And if you like what you hear, do me a favor and tell a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and subscribe to our e-newsletter so you will never miss another video or podcast. This is Drew with Boomer Music Company. Thank you for listening.